Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Filza Fitra Rahma. I'm come from Islamic Education student. Now we talk about SDGs from Quality of Education. Definition: Sustainable Development Goals 4, or we say SDGs 4, is one of the 17 Sustainable Development Goals agreed upon by the member states of the United Nations in 2015. SDGs 4 specially aims to ensure inclusive and equitable quality education and promote lifelong learning opportunities for all. Background and brief history of SDGs 4. Prior to the SDGs, the world had implemented the Millennium Development Goals, or we say MDGs agenda, which focused on universal primary education. Although the MDGs success in decreasing school enrollment rates, the quality of learning remained a major issue in many countries. In addition, the world faced phenomena as first, climate crisis, structural poverty, and socio-economic inequality. Second, disparities in access to education based on genders, income, region, rural versus urban, and vulnerable group. Brief history. SDGs 4 is part of the 2030 Agenda, which was officially adopted by the United Nations in 2015 as a continuation of the MDGs. SDGs 4 was born through a global negotiation process involving countries, NGOs, academics, and various stakeholders, emphasizing the importance of learning outcomes, equal opportunity, and lifelong learning. The urgency of SDGs 4. Why is quality education so urgent? Based on global education data, 1,272 million children and adolescents world were out of school in 2023, 3% increase since 2015. Only 58% of global students achieve minimum reading proficiency levels in 2019. Significant disparities still exist in school infrastructure. Only about 15% of primary schools have basic facility for students with disabilities. Many countries have not yet achieved gender parity at all levels of education. Quality education is a key foundation for reducing poverty, reduce social and gender inequality, is an instrument for community empowerment and the formation of active and tolerant citizens. Without acceleration, millions of children will be left behind and lose opportunities for future development. Why I choose equality of quality education? This title was chosen because focus on equality. Access alone is not enough. Education must be equal in quality in all contexts between rich versus poor children, urban versus rural areas, boys versus girls, students with disabilities versus without disabilities. All of these are target requests by SDGs 4. Relevance to the global agenda. SDGs 4 aims to leave no hand behind. The main principle of the 2030 Agenda. This means that the quality of education must be the same for all individuals without discrimination. 21st Century Education Strategy. The digital age, technological change, and workplace skill requirements demand education that is not only accessible, but also high quality and equitable distribute. This make the focus on equality of quality relevant to current and future needs. Improvement process and stage towards SDGs 4 theory and scientific reference. To achieve equality of quality education, the global learning process should ideally be based on several theories and approaches. A. Human Capital Theory by Becker, 1964. Education is an investment that increase productivity and social well-being. Implication, strengthening teacher quality and curriculum relevance to labor market and civic life, and then data-driven learning assessment. B. Theory of Education Justice by Rawls, 1971. Justice requires the inequalities benefit the least advantage. Implication: target funding for disadvantaged school, inclusive education policies for marginalized group, equitable allocation of learning research. C. Lifelong Learning Framework by UNESCO 2015. Learning must occur across the lifespan to adapt to social and technology change. Implication: expansion of non-formal and adult education, vocational and skills-based learning. And then digital literacy and continuous upskilling. D. Monitoring and accountability. SDGs 4. Progress is measured through indicators such as: first, literacy and numeracy proficiency; second, inclusive across gender and disability; third, safe and research-equipped learning environment; 6. Core message and key takeaways. Central argument: education equality must move beyond access toward equal quality of learning experience and outcomes. Equality of quality education is both a moral imperative and a strategic necessity for sustainable development. Concrete conclusion. First, SDGs 4 affirms education as a universal right and global priority. Second, the world faces a deep learning crisis marked by inequality and exclusion. Third, achieving SDGs 4 requires justice-oriented policies, quality investment, and lifelong learning system. Okay, closing statement. Equality of quality education is not an idealized vision. It's a measurable, achievable, and necessary pathway toward a just and sustainable global futures. Without equal quality in education, sustainable development will remain an unfulfilled promise. I think just all I can say. Thank you for your attention. Less and more, please forgive. And goodbye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.